Hello friends! Welcome to Crazy Shrimanta. We'll improve our English speaking skills and learn something new. So if you're ready, stay with me until the end. Now, let's get started.
My brain feels completely full after today's classes.
Tell me about it.
I thought the math lesson would never end. At least we're free now.
I'm starving. I could eat 3 burgers right now. 3? You'd probably ask for dessert too. Of course. Life is too short to skip dessert. Maybe someday, when we're both rich.
Hold on. What's that lying over there? Where? I don't see anything. Near the tree. It looks like someone's wallet. Then let's check before someone else finds it.
Go on, open it. What if someone's looking for it right now? We won't know unless we check. Alright, let's see what's inside. Whoa, that's a lot of money. I've never seen this much cash in one place. Look, there's an ID card and a family photo. Someone must be desperately searching for this. No one saw us pick it up. That money doesn't belong to us. But think about your mom. This could change everything. Maybe it could. You're unusually quiet. I keep thinking about the family in that photo. Maybe they're already looking everywhere. Exactly. Someone must be worried right now. Excuse me, sir. Has anyone been asking about a lost wallet?
Not that I've heard, son. Did you find one?
Yes. We're trying to return it.
Thank you.
We've looked everywhere nearby. Then we'll keep looking.
You really won't give up, will you? Not until this wallet reaches the right hands.
You boys seem to be looking for someone.
That's an honest thing to do. We're not giving up until we do.
Excuse me, sir. Does Mr. Rajesh Sharma still live here? Rajesh? He moved away almost 3 years ago.
So this address is outdated.
Then we'll have to find another clue.
Rajesh! Wait, I remember now. Opened a new office near the city market.
Really?
Looks like we finally have a real lead.
Let's go before it gets dark.
This market is huge. Where do we even begin?
We'll search one building at a time.
Most people would have gone home by now. Doing the right thing isn't always the easy thing.
Good evening, sir. We're looking for Mr. Rajesh Sharma.
I'm sorry, boys. He doesn't work in this building.
Do you know where we might find him?
Try the business lane across the market.
I feel like someone is watching us. You're probably just tired.
That wallet. It's worth following.
Let's finish this quickly and get home.
Yes? We're trying to return a lost wallet.
We're trying to return a wallet.
I think it might be mine.
Something about him doesn't...
If it's your wallet, can you describe it?
Brown leather with money inside.
That's too general. Tell us something only the owner would know.
I don't remember.
One last question. Who's in the family photo inside the wallet?
Family photo?
I don't know.
Because it was never your wallet. Please don't pretend to be someone you're not.
You handled that situation very wisely.
I just wanted to make sure the wallet reached the right person.
For a moment, I almost believed that man.
Honesty needs patience, and you seem to have plenty of it. Wait, I know this little girl.
You do?
Her father is Rajesh Sharma. He owns a furniture showroom.
Then we're finally getting closer.
His showroom is about 15 minutes from here.
Thank you, sir. You may have just saved us hours. Come on, Rahul. Let's finish what we started. Tonight, this wallet is going back to its real owner.
Look, the showroom should be somewhere ahead. I just hope we're not too late. You've come this far. Don't lose hope now. Let's keep moving.
Good evening, sir. Is Mr. Rajesh Sharma here?
Yes, he owns this showroom.
Can we meet him for a minute?
He's been searching for something important all day. Still no news. We've searched everywhere.
Excuse me, are you Mr. Rajesh Sharma?
Yes, who are you?
I think we found something that belongs to you. Is this your wallet, sir?
Where did you find it?
Near Green Valley High School yesterday afternoon.
I can't believe it's really here. Nothing is missing.
We didn't touch anything. We only wanted it to reach the right owner.
Thank you, from the bottom of my heart. Please accept this. You've earned it.
I'm truly grateful, sir, but I can't take your money. Why would you refuse?
Because my mother taught me that honesty should never be sold. Young man, people like you are very rare.
I only did what I believed was right. He never thought about keeping it.
Your parents must be incredibly proud. May I ask you something?
Of course, sir.
Life hasn't been easy for your family, has it?
No, but my mother always tells me to stay honest.
Please sit down for a moment.
Thank you, sir.
I'd like to know more about you.
Rahul never gives up, no matter how hard life gets. It all started when
My father passed away when I was very young.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
My mother works hard every single day for us. She's the strongest person I've ever met.
Tomorrow evening, bring your mother to my office.
Is everything okay, sir?
I have something important I'd like to discuss with both of you.
I think tomorrow is going to change your life. I still can't believe you refused that reward. Doing the right thing already feels like a reward.
Don't forget, tomorrow evening.
We won't, sir.
Your mom is going to be so proud of you. I just hope tomorrow brings good news. I've got a feeling it will. Let's see what tomorrow has planned.
A lot happened today, Mom.
Is everything all right?
I have an amazing story to tell. I think tomorrow could change our lives.
Mom, I found a wallet with a lot of money inside.
A wallet?
I returned it to the owner.
You made the right choice, my son. He wants to meet both of us tomorrow?
Yes, he said it's something important.
Whatever happens, we'll face it together.
I'm glad you're coming with me.
I wonder what tomorrow will bring. Whatever it is, I'll face it honestly.
Good night, Rahul.
Good night, Mom. Today's the day. I hope everything goes well. Whatever happens, I'll stay true to myself. Let's get ready.
Eat well. We have a big day ahead.
I'm a little nervous.
Honesty has already brought you this far.
Your words always give me courage. Ready for the big meeting?
As ready as I'll ever be.
No matter what happens, I'm proud of you. Let's go meet Mr. Sharma. Welcome. I've been waiting for all of you.
Thank you for inviting us, Mr. Sharma.
We're happy to be here, sir. Please, come inside. Yesterday, you returned more than just my wallet.
I only returned what belonged to you.
We simply taught him to be honest.
And that lesson deserves to be honored. Rahul, this isn't a reward.
Then what is it, sir?
Open it,
Go ahead, son.
and you'll understand. These are official
What do they
documents.
say?
Read the first page.
Full education scholarship?
Your honesty deserves an opportunity, not just a reward.
I don't know how to thank you.
Sir, you've already done more than enough. This is only the beginning. Every student needs the right tools to chase their dreams.
Sir, I don't know what to say.
Just promise you'll make the most of it.
I will. I won't let your trust go to waste.
Promise me one thing, Rahul.
Anything, sir.
One day, help someone the way you've helped me.
I promise. I'll never forget this.
Thank you for believing in my son.
He earned every bit of this opportunity.
This is a day we'll never forget.
Thank you for changing my future.
Yesterday, we found a wallet.
Kindness always finds its way back.
This isn't the end of my journey. It's the beginning of a better one.
You've been studying since sunrise.
I don't want to waste the opportunity Mr. Sharma gave me. Hard work and honesty make a powerful team. I'll make both of you proud. As you can see, the data shows significant growth.
Excellent present, Rahul.
Thank you, ma'am. I told you that laptop would make a difference.
Keep working like this and you'll go very far.
Today, we celebrate a young man. Rahul, please come up.
That's my son.
I simply followed what my mother taught me.
Rahul, what inspired you to return the wallet?
I remembered my mother's words.
Did you think about keeping the money?
For a moment, but honesty was better.
Good morning, Rahul.
Thank you. I never expected so much attention.
Stay humble, just as you always have.
I will, ma'am.
Today, Rahul reminds us that character is more valuable than wealth.
That's my best friend! I hope my story inspires others to choose honesty.
That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the next video too. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye.